Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Makeup 101. So I've already shown you how you can make the most of your trusty beauty blender, but this multifunctional sponge can do a lot more than just makeup application. Today I'm going to show you different ways to use your beauty blender. We've mentioned it before, you can use your beauty blender to blend your foundation and concealer with ease. Start by dotting the foundation on the back of your hand. Now use a damp beauty blender and tap into the product. Then just use a stippling or bounce motion to apply and blend the foundation onto your skin. Start at the center of your face and blend outwards. This not only ensures minimal product usage but also gives you a flawless finish without any brush lines. Since the sponge does not absorb a lot of product, you can also use it to apply your skincare products like your serum or your moisturizer. Just follow the same steps you would to apply your foundation or concealer and pat it onto your skin. Using a sponge is going to give you less messy fingertips and even application of the product. Using a sponge to apply powder is one of the best ways to ensure that your makeup stays set the entire day. Use a damp beauty blender with your setting powder and lightly press it over your concealer to set it. You can also use the rounded end to set your entire face. A blender not only makes it easier to set smaller areas like your under eyes, which may be difficult to do with a powder brush, but it also helps you set an oily T-zone. If you find your makeup too cakey or you've been a little too generous with your blush or contour, then there's an easy way to fix this. Tap a clean, damp beauty blender over your face after it's been set. It will take away any powdery cakey look and it will help get rid of any harsh contour and blush lines. A damp beauty blender works great with cream-based products. You can use it to apply your cream blush, bronzer and highlighter. If you're looking to soften your makeup or just looking for a midday touch-up, then use a damp beauty blender. You can also use your beauty blender to hide flaky skin that's peeking through your foundation. Take a few drops of facial oil on the back of your hand. Dip your damp beauty blender into it. Now gently press it against any dry or flaky area. You can also use this method to get a dewy glow on the high points of your face. So that was it for this episode of Makeup 101. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Also, while you're at it, check out the POPxo shop because we have some amazing things out there. We have backpacks, fanny packs, t-shirt, crop tops and a lot more. The link is in the description box below, so make sure you go check that out. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily. Bye.